Looking for the absolute best ergonomic keyboard for programming in 2026, expert reviews in 2026. We've analyzed the top 5 models to help you make an expert decision. All links are in the description. Let's dive in. The GravaStar Mercury K1 75% wireless keyboard is an exceptional choice for programmers who spend long hours coding. Its futuristic design seamlessly blends with the ergonomic comfort it offers, making it a perfect fit for extended work sessions. The 75% layout carefully balances essential keys with reduced movement, resulting in improved efficiency and better posture. The hot-swappable linear switches provide smooth, quiet keystrokes that foster focused development work. This feature ensures minimal disturbance during prolonged typing sessions, allowing programmers to concentrate on their tasks without distractions. Gasket mounting adds an extra layer of durability to the keyboard's design, while also enhancing the overall typing experience. The wireless connectivity allows for flexibility and convenience, making it easy to move around or switch between devices as needed. Overall, the GravaStar Mercury K1 75% wireless keyboard is a top-notch choice for programmers seeking a comfortable and efficient typing solution. Its unique blend of style and functionality makes it an excellent investment for anyone who spends hours coding. With its advanced features and ergonomic design, this keyboard is sure to enhance your productivity and overall coding experience. I'm thoroughly impressed with the HITIME XXVX-M67 wireless mechanical keyboard. As a programmer, I've spent countless hours at my desk, and this keyboard has been a game-changer for my productivity. The compact ergonomic 60% layout is designed to reduce wrist strain during long typing sessions, which is a major win in my book. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its versatility. With tri-mode connectivity and QMK/VIA support, developers can fully customize their layouts and macros to suit their needs. I've been able to tailor the keyboard to my specific workflow, making it feel like an extension of myself. The keystrokes are creamy smooth, providing a comfortable typing experience that doesn't leave me feeling fatigued. The gasket mount also helps to absorb shock, ensuring that every keystroke is registered accurately and consistently. Overall, I'm extremely pleased with the HITIME XXVX-M67 wireless mechanical keyboard. Its compact design, customizable features, and comfortable typing experience make it an excellent choice for anyone in need of a reliable and ergonomic keyboard solution. Whether you're a programmer, gamer, or simply a keyboard enthusiast, this keyboard is definitely worth considering. I recently had the opportunity to try out the MechLands MCHOSE K99 wireless keyboard, and I must say that it has exceeded my expectations in many ways. As a programmer, I've spent countless hours hunched over my keyboard, but this one has changed the game for me. The 96% layout is perfect for programmers like myself who need to type efficiently without any unnecessary keys. The 6-layer padding system is ingenious. It minimizes noise and finger fatigue during long coding sessions, allowing me to focus on my work without distractions. Plus, the compact design makes it easy to take with me wherever I go. One of the standout features of this keyboard is its multi-device wireless support. Whether I'm working on a Windows or Mac OS machine, I can switch seamlessly between devices without any issues. The battery life is impressive too. I can easily go 24 hours without needing to recharge. Overall, I'd highly recommend the MechLands MCHOSE K99 wireless keyboard to anyone who spends long hours typing away at their computer. It's a game-changer for productivity and comfort, and its wireless capabilities make it perfect for developers working across platforms. I've spent countless hours typing on the Royal KLUDGE RK918 mechanical keyboard, and I can confidently say it's one of the best keyboards I've ever used. As a programmer, I appreciate its full-size ergonomic layout, which allows for a natural typing flow that reduces fatigue and increases productivity. The clicky blue switches provide excellent tactile feedback, allowing me to type with precision and speed. The retro round keycaps are a game-changer in terms of comfort. They reduce finger strain by providing a more comfortable typing experience, making it easier to focus on the task at hand. I've noticed a significant decrease in errors and fatigue since switching to this keyboard. Overall, the RK918 is an excellent choice for programmers who value precision, speed, and comfort. Its ergonomic design and tactile switches make it ideal for long coding sessions. While some may find the retro keycaps unusual, they add a unique touch to the overall typing experience. With its impressive features and durable build, I highly recommend the RK918 to anyone looking for a reliable mechanical keyboard. It's definitely worth the investment for serious programmers and typists. I'm thrilled to share my experience with the AULA F75 wireless mechanical keyboard. As a programmer, I'm always on the lookout for tools that can help me code more efficiently and comfortably. The AULA F75 delivers on both fronts. The ergonomic 75% layout is designed specifically with programmers in mind, providing ample space for fingers to move without feeling cramped or uncomfortable. The creamy switches are a game changer, reducing finger fatigue to almost zero during long coding sessions. I can type for hours without any discomfort or strain, which is a huge plus for my productivity. The tri-mode connectivity feature allows me to seamlessly switch between work devices, making it easy to move from laptop to desktop or vice versa without interruption. This convenience factor is huge for anyone who works remotely or frequently switches between devices. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the AULA F75 wireless mechanical keyboard. Its ergonomic design, comfortable switches, and reliable connectivity make it an essential tool for any programmer seeking comfort and performance during long coding sessions. If you're in the market for a top-notch keyboard that can keep up with your coding demands, look no further than the AULA F75. That wraps up our list. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time.